Morning students, this is the chapter Glimpses of India, first part, a baker from Goa. In those days in Goa, baking profession was too good. Bakers were very popular. Nowadays it is not too important, but bakers are still there, their furnace is still there, fire in furnaces is still there. Okay. At that on those time he used to come on in the village of the poet or narrator or the author by giving the sound, by beating the bamboo on the ground. When he used to beat the bamboo on the ground, then his arrival was proved that he has come. Hurling his arrival can be seen here in some places even today also. Maybe the father who was earlier doing the same profession is not alive, but his son has carried the profession of his father. And he is known as Padder in Goa. He is known as Padder in Goa. During our childhood, this Padder used to be their friend, guide, and companion of the children. He used to come twice a day. First of all, early in the morning to sell his loaves, and secondly, when he finished all his loaves, he used to come back to his to house. Then also he used to pass through the village. So 2 times he used to come a day. The jingling, or when he used to beat the ground sound, there was a sound jiggling third. The sound was jiggling third. So because to hear that sound, the children used to wake up and they used to run to meet him. It was not just because of the loaf of the their love for the loaf. Loaves were purchased by the lady servants of the houses. They just used to select their Bengal breads. They were worried just for their Bengal breads. Okay, because blows were eaten by the elders and Bengal bread were eaten by the children, and those Bengal bread the children themselves used to buy. When he used to enter in the village, he used to beat the bamboo stick on the ground. It was like a musical entry for the children. In his one hand he had basket on his head, or in the second hand he had bamboo. Then he used to put that basket on the vertical bamboo, and the children used to gather surround him, and with the rebuke scold he used to move them aside, and he used to sell the loaves to the lady servants of the houses, and he used to wish them good morning. And still they can they can remember the sweet smell of loaves in their mind. And at that time they were not worried to brush their teeth and all these things. Okay, he says that if it will take hot tea, then all the dirt will automatically be removed. He said tiger never washes clothes, then what happens? At that time, marriages and functions were also without sweet bread is also meaningless, and they were known as bowl. Sweet bread is known as bowl. And whenever engagement party will be there of the daughter, then mother used to bake some sandwiches, which were also used of made. Cakes and boli also used to were made by the bread, and these were made by the women or ladies of on the festivals. And the bread maker used to wear a special dress that known as kabai. And now it is changed. Now the people they have started to wear one shirt and trouser which is shorter than full pant and longer than half pant. Even today someone wear a half pant which is longer than half pant, people comment that he has worn pant like a padder. And the baker did not used to take money on the daily basis. He used to collect money at the end of the month, and he used to record all these things on a wall with the pencil. And the baker and his family and servants also were very prosperous at that time. Even they have fat body. Even also we are talking about about Goa. In Goa, if someone has fat, they are compared to a baker. Thank you.